Toronto, an incredible metropolis full of culture, incredible sights, and of course, big business. Widely regarded as the economic capital of the Great White North, some of the largest businesses in the world choose to make it their home. But we're not here to talk about them. We're here to talk about a company whose product is now found literally everywhere, but at one point in history was considerably more valuable than gold. A key ingredient of nearly every food and beverage on the market, and a component in countless other industrial processes. Any guesses? That's right, we're here to talk about sugar. RedPath Sugar has been operating in Canada for a very long time. Founded by John RedPath in 1854, RedPath Sugar started operations in Montreal as the Canada Sugar Refining Company. That's before the enactment of the Constitution Act of 1867 that actually created the Dominion of Canada. So technically, RedPath is actually older than Canada itself. In 1830, RedPath Sugar merged with the Canada Sugar Refining Company of Ontario. The RedPath Sugar Refinery was built on the Toronto waterfront in the late 1950s, at the time of the completion of the St. Lawrence Seaway, which was a major opportunity for the company. It would be the only major company at the time to take advantage of the Seaway. So you're probably wondering by now, how does the sugar get made? Well, we went there to find out. The whole purpose of RedPath is to transport and refine the raw sugarcane that is grown in the more tropical regions of the earth for sale here in Canada. Ships from distant regions travel to RedPath Refinery through the St. Lawrence Seaway for processing at the plant. The process of refining the sugar is surprisingly complex. Cranes unload the cane, it is ground down, boiled, centrifuged, and even crystallized. The result is a 99.98% pure product. Of course, the various intermediate stages of lower purity product can be sold off to interested customers as well. The sugar market is an interesting example of pure competition. Everyone has the exact same product. But, interestingly, most companies run mini monopolies based on geographic region. In order to get an advantage, production and operations management techniques are critically important. Using inventory control to make sure there are never any shortages, preventative maintenance techniques to minimize production slowdowns and costly breakdowns, and statistical process control to ensure maximum output potential are only a few of the methods used. RedPath also uses quality control to check inputs and outputs, health and safety regulations to protect its workers, and maximizes communication between modular departments to maximize productivity. Well, that's it for now. Hopefully you learned something about one of the oldest, most recognized companies in Canada. Without RedPath, the business landscape in Canada would undoubtedly be much, much different than it is today. Additionally, without production and operations management techniques, RedPath would not be able to be competitive in the modern business environment. Maintaining low production costs and extreme efficiency can only be possible with operations management techniques.